lovelies, it's Nisha. So today I thought I will remake my video that I did about 5 years ago, hooded eyes, where do I find my crease? And I thought because that video is not very clear, you know, I didn't have good equipment then, I didn't know how to zoom in, so I thought I redo it and possibly this video will be a bit more clear. But before that, if you are new here, please subscribe and most of all, click that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. If you just subscribe and don't press that bell, you probably won't see my videos again. That's the way the YouTube works now. Okay, so let's talk about hooded eyes. There are all sorts of types of hooded eyes. I have naturally hooded eye shape, so I was born like this. My eyes are also slightly turned down, and of course with age you get a bit more sagging. I wouldn't say that I have really heavy, you know, great extra amount of skin, but there are all sorts of different types of hooded eyes. You might have hooded eyes because of your age, and some people have a lot of really overhanging skin. So, but this should work for almost everybody. Okay, so where is the crease? The crease is where your lid folds over your mobile lid. So mobile lid is this bit, because this moves, this doesn't move. So when you have hooded eyes, look at me, when I look straight forward, I've got like here 2 creases, so God knows where my actual crease is. But can you see just here, I should zoom in really. So you see here where my lid folds over, this is my crease, and the same on this side. And if I apply the eyeshadow here, once I've opened my eyes, you're able to see it. Crease, your natural crease should be somewhere where your bone is. Okay, so you know these people that have beautiful huge mobile lids that can do any makeup they want, they will look something like this. This is very uncomfortable. So their crease will be right under their socket bone. And can you see how much room that gives you on your mobile lid, and your eye look much bigger and more open? Well, we hoodies don't have that, so we have to pretend and make our crease. So what you do, take a nice pointy brush. I'm going to take the Blank Canvas Cosmetics E42. I'm going to use today the Tarte Tartelette in Bloom. I haven't used this palette for so long. What you want to do is start with a matte eyeshadow, darker eyeshadow. If you prefer browns, you can do browns, you can do purples, as long as it is matte, because we're playing with shade and light. So remember, something dark and matte will push things away, make them look deeper, and that's what we're looking for. We're trying to make this deep crease. Light shades and shimmery shades will bring things forward, and I will do like in the old video, both sides differently. So what you do, I'm going to take the Jet Setter first. Look straight forward, relax your, because you see I can lift my eyebrows very high, and this helps me with applying my makeup, and sometimes my eyes don't look hooded when I speak like this. But people with severely hooded eyes, even if they lift their eyebrows, the hood will be still there. So relax your eyes, look straight forward, find this bone and make a little mark here. Okay, so you want to be able to see it when your eyes are relaxed, not stretched, proper hanging hoods. So make this little mark. See, I've got another problem, because as you can see, my eyes droop as well, but there is a thing you can do for that as well. So now I've got this mark, I can lift my eyebrow and do a proper template. If you can't, just lift your eyebrow with your finger. And now I'm going to go in like a half moon shape and start marking out my crease. So it's right on that socket bone. Now, because my eyes droop towards the end, I am not going to go really low with this line, because if I go low, it will make my eyes appear even more droopy. So going like a half moon shape, and at the end, only if you have droopy eyes. If you don't, you just go like this. If they droop, go a bit up. I've got a mark here now where I've been pushing that pencil in. So I don't know if you can see straight away, you have this appearance that this is my lovely big mobile lid, and that's where my crease is. So I've created that shadow. Whereas here you can really see the hood still because there is nothing on it. It's quite light, and light will bring the hood forward even more. You have to take into consideration as well that everybody has different amount of space between their eyelashes and eyebrows. I've got loads of space here, but there are people that will have very little space. That means it's the same principle. You just go as high as you can till you see this eyeshadow when your eyes are open and relaxed. And you can adjust that shape here depending on your shape. Now you blend that out upwards, never go below that crease because we don't want to shade that. Now I'm going to go into a bit darker color. I go into, let's go to the leader, and with the very point I'm going to deepen this crease just here, just where I started. Don't go below, and that will define it even more. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to make our mobile lid bigger, more open, give the illusion of a nice big space on our mobile lid. So take some sort of flat brush, and you want to here use light brightening color. You can use shimmer. There is no, I know there is a lot of people out there that say after a certain age you shouldn't wear shimmer, you wear what you like. So I'm going to take the Charmer, which is the lightest eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it on my mobile lid right up to that crease. So now this eyeshadow has brought this, because it's light, it's brought my eyelid forward, therefore making it look bigger and less hooded. And from here you can leave it like this, or you can then do your 7, you can shade it here. It's up to you, but the most important thing is to create that crease. Okay, so let me show you now on the other eye. If I took the same brown eyeshadow, the Jet Setter, and put it just on my lower lid, on my mobile lid. That hasn't really hid my hood. It actually made my mobile lid much smaller, and because the hood is still really light, makes it pop up, makes it look even bigger. And the worst thing you can do is to put really light shimmery eyeshadow on your hood. So let's take the Funny Girl, which is a nice light shimmery eyeshadow, and let's put it on our hood. So I hope you can see, you see this eye is still hooded, but it doesn't have the same appearance as this one. by me putting that dark eyeshadow on my mobile lid, I made that lid even smaller and less visible, and by putting the really light shimmery eyeshadow on my hood, I brought that hood forward, therefore bigger and more noticeable. So I hope you can see the difference. I'm going to put the Jet Setter on my lower lash line here as well, because that's what I would do anyway. And then I will put mascara on my eye, because I'm quite happy with leaving it like this. Sorry that the light is getting darker. It's getting really dark and cloudy outside. Let me put another light on. Okay, hopefully that is better. Let's put the mascara on now. Okay, let me relax both eyes. I won't be lifting my eyebrows like this. So can you see the difference? This eye looks more open and my hood is not as visible, whereas on this side it is quite visible. Okay, my lovelies, so that's how you find your crease. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon. Stay fabulous. Bye.